it's not going to be available very much longer. My wife wants to get a new one, mainly for aesthetic reasons. It's white. We got a white theme, but of course, it's the one we're getting. The replacement is stainless steel. So this is GE Triton, I guess. It's got all these settings, right? Let's see here. And then just to show that it worked, that what it is, and then I'll show one with it running as well. Top rack, this is basic, you know. Top rack. Doesn't adjust up or down, nothing like that. Like the new ones. Bottom rack. Inside. Coils get the water hot. Hot. Jet dry. Jet dry container. Vent. Kinda got it all. And there's that in case you need that. We'll run this load here. Or at least get started so you can see.